Okay, y'all, the market is closing, but we got some things. Uh-oh. I didn't know which way we was going, but we got a lot of things. Super nice, super cute. We going on an adventure. They got everything here. Mommy. Outside. Whoa, almost fell. We outside. There's no lights here, so you just go when you think you should go. It's not a walk. It's not a walk. It's not a walk. It's not a walk.
But if ain't no cars coming, there's cars coming now. We could have went when there was no cars coming.
Okay, guys. So we just gonna be following the walkways when you get to Brazil, but follow them so y'all don't die, cause they be driving crazy.
They're coming too quick.
Hold on. Y'all gotta really get into it. Get into it how you get into it. Look how pretty. Whoa, almost fell.
I don't want to walk in the sand because I just got off the shower.
Walking back. Gonna go get this food.
Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
So very pretty.
I'm gonna count on the 3.
Another one. Another one.
I'm a human translator.
Another one.
Oh, they cucumber. It looks so weird. It's all prickly and stuff.
How you say what?
Another one.
Ready?
It started recording. You taste the spicy yet? Maybe not when it's all together, huh?
It's a little spicy. It's a lot of spicy.
You felt it. You felt it. It's that second part.
Flowers that was on that heart today.
I didn't see none of them. At the bottom.
Another one.
And
another one.
Because I did.
Low heat.
You gonna make a whole lot.